If you've posted a WhatsApp status and want to see who actually viewed it, this video will show you exactly how to do it. This is the most up-to-date way to check. A lot of tutorials out there are outdated now. Stick with me to the end and follow each step in order. Start by opening the WhatsApp on your phone. Once it's open, tap on the tab that says Updates. On iPhone, this is at the bottom of the screen. On Android, it's usually on the top, though newer versions may show it at the bottom. Inside the Updates tab, you'll see a section near the top called My Status. Tap on your status there. Your status will open and play. Now swipe up from the bottom of the screen. This brings up a list of everyone who has viewed your status. Or just tap on the eye icon at the bottom of the screen. That's all there is to it. Now there are two things worth knowing before you close the video. First, if someone watched your status but isn't showing up on that list, it's because they've turned off read receipts on their end. WhatsApp can't show you those viewers, and there's no way around it. Second, the viewer list disappears once your status expires after 24 hours, so make sure you check before it's gone. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like the video as it really helps the channel out, and subscribe for more videos like this. This is Abdul signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.